Hey guys, this is Mike Mind from Academy, and today we're gonna learn how to match characters that occur one or more times using the regular expressions. Sometimes you need to match a character or group of characters that appear one or more times in a row. This means it occurs at least once and may be repeated. You can use the plus character to check if that is the case. Remember, the character or pattern has to be present consecutively. That is, the character has to repeat one after the other. For example, A plus, and then global of course, would find one match in ABC and return A. Because of the plus, it will also find a single match in AABC and return AA. If it were instead checking the string ABAB, it would find two matches and return A and another A, so two separate strings. Because the A characters are not in a row, there is a B between them. Finally, since there is no A in the string BCD, it wouldn't find a match. Pretty clear? The plus symbols basically means that you should only get the characters in a row if they are one after the other. If not, they will get them separately if of course you set the flag in G. So let's go for the exercise now. You want to find matches when the letter S occurs one or more times in Mississippi. Write a regex that uses the plus sign. So this is very easy. We just gonna delete the change, put S plus to find all the S's over here, and then I put the G flag. So let's run the test, and we passed with flying colors. Awesome. See you in the next lesson.